In today's video, I will teach you how to assign someone as an admin to your Facebook page. You can use your mobile phone, or you can also follow the same steps if you're using a laptop or desktop. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your Facebook app and basically open your Facebook page. And for me, I have already created a page for my business, and it does look like this. All you have to do is create your name and your logo, your cover page, and you could add what type of products you sell. For me, I am a home baker, so I created a Facebook page for my baked goodies. So, whether you manage a brand page or your own personal page on Facebook, sometimes you need a team of people who can edit and publish content, look at informations about your followers, and many more. Once you've created a page, Facebook lets you add people to your page with different level of permissions. You can always manage who has a page role on your Facebook page and edit their permission without needing to re-add them. The role with the most permission is known as an admin. So here's how to add an admin to your Facebook page. Once you're in your Facebook page, just tap the three horizontal lines or the setting menu on the upper right and select Professional Dashboard. Once here, scroll down and select Page Access. Here, you can invite people to help you manage your page and control who can access it. In here, you can see two options. The first one is people with Facebook access. You can add anyone here. And the second one is people with task access. So you can also add anyone here. So for example, you want to add someone with task, click the add option. Tap next. And search for the name that you want to add. In here, you have 5 tasks to choose for that specific person. The first one is Insight. It says here that Insight, you can see how the page content and ads perform. Second one is Ads. Create, manage, and delete ads for the page. The content one, the third option, create, manage, or delete posts, stories, and more as the page. The fourth one is community activity. Review and respond to comments, remove unwanted content, and add report activity. The last one is messages. You can send a respond to message as the page. In here, you can choose one specific task for that person or two. It depends on you. Once done, tap the Give Access. In here, Facebook will ask you to re-enter your password to make sure it's you that is making the change. Once done, just tap Confirm. The person's name will now show up with a red pending message next to it. Once the person receives the notification, they can accept and their role will show up under the existing page role section. This shows you each person on your page categorized by their permission. For example, you can have one person under admin and one person under editor. And now let's try to add someone with Facebook access. Facebook access means you can access everything. So just tap the add new and then next. and type for the name for that specific person who can access your Facebook page. For you give access, you have to tap the allow this person to also have full control. Reminder that anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including you, or delete the page. So for this one, you have to add a trustworthy person. Once done, tap the give access. And again, Facebook will ask you to re-enter your password to make sure it's you that is making the change. And once done, tap confirm. And that's it. That's the easy way how to add someone as an admin on your Facebook page. Before we end this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own Facebook page. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines on the upper left and select Pages. On the upper menu, tap Create. It says here that a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. You can do things like showcase products and services, collect donations, and create ads. And millions of people discover and connect with pages every day. So get started. First question you need to answer is, what's the name of your page? So use the name of your business, brand, or organizations, or a name that will help explain your page. So you have to think about the best name for your page. So this is just an example. So once you're done, tap next. In here, they are going to ask you what category describe water refilling services. So a category will help people find these pages in search. So you can add up to 3. So there are lots of questions here, so just continue on going, and that's how you make your Facebook page. I'll just make a new video on how to create your Facebook page in details on my next vlogs. And if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have inquiries regarding these videos, please feel free to leave a comment on the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video.